Trucks for kids. 20 types of trucks. Truck.
A truck is a large motor vehicle used to carry goods and heavy materials from one place to another. It plays an important role in transport, construction, and everyday business work.
Fire truck.
A fire truck is an emergency vehicle used to put out fires and help in rescue situations. It carries hoses, water pumps, and firefighting equipment.
Ambulance truck.
An ambulance truck is an emergency vehicle used to take sick or injured people to the hospital. It has medical tools to help patients during transport.
Food truck.
A food truck is a vehicle that works like a mobile kitchen where food is prepared and served to customers on the street. It can move to different places to offer fresh and quick meals.
Delivery truck.
A delivery truck is a vehicle used to transport packages and goods from warehouses to customers. It helps make deliveries fast and reliable every day.
Box truck.
A box truck is a vehicle with a closed cargo space that protects goods from weather and damage. It is commonly used for deliveries and moving items.
Container truck.
A container truck is a large transport vehicle used to carry shipping containers between ports and storage areas. It is very important for moving goods across long distances.
Flatbed truck.
A flatbed truck is a transport vehicle with a flat open platform and no sides or roof. It is used to carry large and heavy items.
Dump truck.
A dump truck is a heavy-duty vehicle used to carry loose materials such as sand, soil, and gravel. It has a lifting bed that tilts to unload materials easily.
Cement mixer truck.
A cement mixer truck is a construction vehicle that carries and mixes concrete while moving. It has a spinning drum that keeps the concrete fresh until it is ready to use.
Crane truck.
A crane truck is used to lift and move heavy objects at construction sites. It makes building work easier and safer.
Pickup truck.
A pickup truck is a light vehicle with an open cargo area at the back of carrying goods. It is often used for personal use and small work tasks.
Tanker truck.
A tanker truck is a vehicle with a big tank used to carry liquids such as fuel, water, or chemicals. It is designed to transport liquids safely.
Garbage truck.
A garbage truck is a special vehicle used to collect and carry waste from homes and businesses. It helps keep the surroundings clean and supports a healthy environment.
Recycling truck.
A recycling truck is used to collect materials like paper, plastic, and metal for reuse. It helps reduce waste and protect the environment.
Front loader garbage truck.
A front loader garbage truck has lifting arms in the front to pick up and empty large bins. It makes garbage collection fast and easier.
Sweeper truck.
A sweeper truck is a cleaning vehicle used to remove dust and small debris from roads. It helps keep streets clean and safe.
Snowplow truck.
A snowplow truck is fitted with a large blade at the front to push snow off roads. It helps keep roads clear during winter.
Logging truck.
A logging truck is a strong vehicle used to carry large tree logs from forests to factories. It is built to handle heavy loads safely.
Monster truck.
A monster truck is a modified vehicle with very large tires and a powerful engine, mainly used for entertainment shows. It performs exciting stunts and drives over obstacles during events.